for brush. Now let's go and make some art. Drawn paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Artie. Artie, we're here. Artie. Hello. Are you good? That's great. Me too. Let's make art.
Greetings, little artists.
Wow, you're in a good mood. Go and get your pens.
It's always so exciting before Artie begins.
Man, this is a great day.
Artie, I was thinking we could draw an owl. You know what an owl is.
Yeah.
You want to draw one?
Okay.
Are you ready to make some art?
Let's do it, Betty. Let's do a wavy shape and then a line coming down from that shape. We'll do the same on the other side, a wavy shape and then come down at an angle. Very good. Curl those two pieces together in the center. From the bottom on the left, do a nice curve coming round. That's right. Come round towards the middle and stop. Now we'll do the same on the other side. Go all the way up and stop. That's a funny shape. It kind of looks like a pair of sunglasses.
Yeah.
Let's add a shape to the top and come back down again. Now let's draw a big circle in the left-hand side. This is going to be the owl's big left eye. Owls have very big eyes, you know, Artie. That's how they can see in the dark at night. Now let's do a circle on the right-hand side. Try and make it match the one on the left as best you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. The beauty of art is nothing has to be perfect. Now do a little oval right in the middle of that circle. Yes, that's good. And then fill it all in. Shade the whole thing in black. The whole thing. That's it. Make it really nice and black. And now let's do the same thing on the right side. That's right. Try and make it about the same size and shade it all in black. Now we'll do a smaller circle in the middle there. Very good. And another smaller circle. And now he's got some eyes and he's definitely looking to the left. Please, can you have a joke break? Okay, why not?
What do you call a dog magician? A labracadoodle.
Labracadoodle. Oh, Mikey, you're so funny. Let's draw the beak now. Oh, I love that. A lovely pointy beak. Now we're going to do the left wing. A nice feathery wing. And of course we want to do the exact same thing on the right hand side. A nice feathery wing. Give him a little collar. What's next, Artie? Oh, of course, that's right. The owl's feet. We're drawing a main oval and then little ovals coming off the side. They're his toes. Same again on the right side. Big toe and little toes. Let's finish his body off. Right side, left side. Now let's show him standing on the branch of a tree. So let's draw the tree between his legs as if he's standing on the tree branch. Oh yes, that's looking really good. Maybe we should do some leaves on the end of the branch as well.
Yeah.
Let's do some leaves. Just a few. Perfect leaf shapes there, Artie. Oh my goodness, he looks so cute. Finished. He looks awesome, Artie. I love the way he's perched on that tree branch. I hope he doesn't lose his grip and fall off. You're finished. That's a perfect work of art, Artie. Well done. I love how you used the browns and the oranges and the blue for in the eyes. And of course the green leaves.
Artie, can't wait till tomorrow. Can't wait to see what you come up with.
Me too, Marky. Well, little artists, we've got to say goodbye now, so hopefully you'll have an arty day and we'll see you soon.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.